I'm out. Ready to do a window?
Windows to the wall. Window time.
Okay, how did I know?
Oh wait, I need my sweater.
Yeah, it's cold outside, so maybe bring a sweater.
I'm coming in the vibe.
Okay, I'm glad you're getting ready.
God damn! Okay, now we go.
Okay, let's go. Hey, I didn't see you there. We're just getting ready to put a window in the van. Another day, another
glass.
no dollars. Another day with no dollars.
CRL windows.
Another day just
that's CRL?
spending money. Yeah, CRL.
CRL windows. We have a big one today, a sliding door.
The biggest one.
The biggest one we can get. I thought it was not fitting, but
It's gonna fit.
we will see.
Big window right there. So the stencil is actually the inside of this edge right here. That's what we're tracing.
Yeah.
So, perfect. We'll lay this down flat on this piece of cardboard. In fact, watch this. Can you grab that? Lift the whole thing off. But we are going to do, it's the inside of this edge. This.
Not in this corner? What does it matter?
It's in that corner, but the whole goal should be to, it's almost, so this is like the outline, almost, of the whole window.
Oh, I see.
So like that, that's it right there. I mean, this thing is made for the window, that's why. Does that make sense? Do you see what see how it's working?
I guess so, but you don't think it's gonna be one to the right?
That's the whole point. You don't want to cut through two pieces of steel. You don't want to cut through one.
Oh.
That's why they set, like, this
There's
van is identical all the time. Sometimes Ford puts a window in this. So sometimes Ford cuts this out too.
So
But they don't ever cut out two pieces of metal. They always only cut out one. This is a brace for when you don't have a window.
Yeah.
This brace comes out when you do have a window.
No, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So our whole goal is, what we're going to do is we're going to drill hole, drill, and that's going to give us a stencil on the outside. We'll take this, line it up against our drill holes. Does that make sense?
Oh, yes.
And then we'll trace this on the outside. And then as I'm cutting, you're going to be on the inside, and just make sure I'm not going to cut through any of the doubled metal. Cool?
Cool.
Then we'll try and fit it in. We can shave what we need to shave. Yeah, and then we're almost there.
I have to paint.
Oh, look, and it's even got a little thing all cut out for the door lock. So that's good.
Let's go there, right?
Yep, and the window's going to come in right on the inside of that metal.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure. You know, maybe we do end up grinding a little bit off of this, but I'd rather be too small to start.
No, I agree.
So guys, pro tip, just make sure when you bring it outside, you flip your tape to the other side. You want it to be the same exact way it was on the inside, on the outside. I don't know if that makes sense, but hopefully it does. If not, measure again. Got ourselves a window. So just double checking our measurements to make sure we have the right distance between the edges of the window and the lip of the truck. And then, as you've probably seen, everybody does the old masking tape on the bottom.
No? How much was this window? $600?
$600. Okay, it's in.
Okay, hold it. Do you have it? Yay!
Alright, time for a break and a snack. My nightmare dropping this thing.
I know, me too.
Just like cracked, gone, done, $600.
Yeah, and 2 months waiting.
And a giant hole in the side of the van the entire time.
I know.
Just tragedy.
Same. Make sure you screw with all your power.
Hand tighten.
Hand tightened.
Hand tighten every single one. Thought I had it all the way. Not even close. You can see some of these. Look at how much. Look at this. How much it's out right now.
Yeah.
That's how much more it needed to go. And then it pulls the whole window in nice and tight. Oh, and it's a workout. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's all the way. He's like back out again. Luckily, they give you a bunch of extra screws because you're probably going to strip them trying to put them in because they're that hard to get in there. But once it's done, it's real tight.
It's real tight. Yes! We have the window.
We did it.
Beer time.
Cheers, beer time. That's how you put a window in.
I don't know. That's not good.
All day long, this is what we do. Cool!
No, we do not do that anymore.
Boom! Mount says I can't say boom anymore.
No, you say boom every...
Now I'm saying cool!
No, also not good.
I think she doesn't want me to make any faces. No fun allowed!
No fun allowed, that's right. So good.